making cake mix bar cookies. Have my cake mix right here, and my oil and eggs. More variations, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 275 and 278 and 279. I don't know, there's 25 different variations on here. All right, get this all mixed up. And we're gonna take our chocolate chips. Now I prefer the mini chocolate chips, because then you don't have to use as many, but you still get a chocolate chip in every bite. Take our pan, spray it with oil. All right. All nice and neat in there. Okay. Going to throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, there is my double chocolate cookie bars with cake mix. Now, if you want, you could make it triple chocolate and frost the tops of these if you want. I'm not going to. Oh my goodness, these look so delicious.